Heraklion, the capital city of Crete in Greece, is a captivating destination that offers a blend of rich history, vibrant local culture, and stunning Mediterranean landscapes. With its historical landmarks, archaeological treasures, and lively atmosphere, Heraklion invites visitors to explore its ancient past, indulge in local cuisine, and soak in the beauty of its coastal surroundings. The heart of Heraklion's allure lies in its historical significance and its role as a gateway to the island's ancient treasures. The Palace of Knossos, one of the most important archaeological sites in Greece, offers a glimpse into the Minoan civilization with its labyrinthine structures, vibrant frescoes, and storied history. The Heraklion Archaeological Museum houses a remarkable collection of artifacts from various periods, shedding light on the island's rich history. Heraklion's local culture is alive and vibrant, reflecting the island's unique identity. The city's Venetian-era fortifications, including the Coles Fortress by the harbor, add to the city's architectural charm and serve as a backdrop for cultural events and festivals. The Heraklion Venetian Loggia, a historic building, is now home to the city's town hall and serves as a symbol of the city's Venetian past. The city's bustling central market, known as the Agora, is a hub of activity where locals and visitors can immerse themselves in the sights, sounds, and aromas of local life. The market offers a variety of fresh produce, local cheeses, spices, and artisan crafts, making it a must-visit for those looking to experience the local flavors. Heraklion's culinary scene celebrates Mediterranean flavors and local products. The city's tavernas, cafes, and restaurants offer a range of options, from traditional Cretan dishes to international cuisine. Local specialties such as dakos, Cretan barley rusk salad, and stuffed vine leaves showcase the authentic tastes of Crete. The city's coastal setting adds to its allure, with its harbor area providing a picturesque backdrop for relaxation and exploration. The Venetian harbor is a charming spot for leisurely walks, enjoying waterfront cafes, and admiring the views of the sea and the fortress. The nearby Amudara beach offers a sandy shoreline and clear waters for swimming and sunbathing. Heraklion's surroundings also offer opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. The nearby archaeological sites of Phaistos and Gortina provide additional insights into the island's ancient past. The rural villages of Archons and Thrapsano, known for their traditional crafts and local products, allow visitors to experience the authentic Cretan way of life. Heraklion is a destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're delving into its archaeological wonders, immersing yourself in its local culture, enjoying its coastal ambience, or exploring its surrounding sites, Heraklion promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Crete's heritage, vibrant urban life, and the timeless allure of a city that proudly embraces its past while embracing its vibrant present.